What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from My Gadgets World, and today's video we're going to be talking about. A lot of people ask me about where is the total power on time has gone in the LG OLED C1 2021 model. So we're going to be looking into that, but I have requests from you guys. Make sure to hit the like on this video because it's going to help me a lot to keep making the content, and that's what YouTube algorithms are. So really appreciate if you can do that, and also consider hitting the subscribe button because there's a lot of videos in the pipeline which will be uploaded soon. All right, now before any delay, let's just get into the settings and see where we can find this total power on time. And I have another thing that I will discuss in the same video, and also I'm in process of making a video of like complete tips and trick, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, now we're gonna hit the wheel button on the LG remote control and we're gonna go to the all settings. And you can just keep holding the setting button, it also takes you there. All right, now we're gonna go all the way down to the support section where it used to be before, and that's what you're gonna go. That's where you're gonna go, right? But it is not there. Now it has moved to the general settings, and in the general settings, you have to go to the devices. Because TV is a device, I guess, so they just moved it to the devices settings where you can go to the devices, and TV itself is listed there. So you go to the TV, and in that menu, you have the TV information. Before, it used to be in the support section, but now it's moved to the general section in the devices section where you can find the total power on time. And also you can find the internal available storage, serial number, the model number. Also at the top, you have the device name that you can edit and you can make it your own because it's a long name, WebOS TV and blah, 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 blah. You can literally erase all of that and just make it your own custom name. All right, I'm gonna put my YouTube name. And why the total power on time is really important, because sometimes people are buying the product which is actually open box or it is refurbished, or sometimes you're buying it from eBay and you don't know if the seller is actually selling you a brand new one or a used one. So this way you can verify that whether the TV has ever used or not. If it has some hours accumulated already on it, that means that TV was used before, or the seller has given you an open box or a customer return product. So that's why it is really important to know the total power on time. Even if you reset your TV, this is always gonna stay here because that's what tells you that how much of the panel life has been utilized or used. There are a couple of more things that you can look around. I wanna show you a really important thing that actually helps you with the connected devices, since we are already in the devices section. So in the external devices, you will have your controller, keyboard, and mouse that you can use for the applications, the games that are in the LG store. And now we're gonna go to the HDMI settings, and you see that SimpLink HDMI CEC. This helps you actually to use the remote control for the connected devices like Apple TV, Shield TV, or if you have the PlayStation, Xbox, you name any device, because most of the devices are now SimpLink. SimpLink is for the LG, and then they have another name for Samsung and Sony devices. So LG one is called SimpLink. So these are actually HDMI CEC options that allow you to use your remote control, the LG remote control, to control your devices which are connected to your TV. So guys, that's all I have from this video. I hope it helped you out, and make sure to hit the like on this video because that's the only way I'm gonna get this video out to more people. And also hit the subscribe button because there are more videos on the way, and also there are more videos about the tips and trick, because you can go to support section, you can see a lot of menus there. So there are some hidden menus that I'm trying to explore myself, and I'll upload a video before this weekend or on weekend, I promise. All right, until then, peace out, take care.